Hi everyone, it's almost time. Guess who own an iPad?
I like bad bitches, bad bitches, bad bitches, bad bitches, bad bitches, bad bitches, bad bitches. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose.
Hi y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm the vibe. It's your girl Gloria, and I'm back again with another video. In case you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe. If you are old here, definitely you're welcome back. You know me and you, we love thing already. So in case you haven't seen the changes on my channel, check this video out and share. So now I go by the name Gloria.K on our social media platforms because I want my name to be easy to search. And in today's video we are going to be doing unbox, and guess who own an iPad? Let me show you guys how it looks. It's from Media Market. You know, that's where I used to shop everything about electronic. Yeah, so my dad had the receipt because he bought it. Anyways, this is how it goes. Okay, wait, before we start, let me just get the receipt and show you how, because my dad have it. Hold on, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. There we go. Here is the receipt. Yeah, let's both together. And it's the iPad 10th generation. If you can see everything, share. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. I'm super happy to have this. I promise you, I'm super happy to have this. Yeah, it's so cute. Let's just almost together. Okay, fine. I'm trying to be dramatic, but then this shit is so cute. Oh my god, that's super cute. I can't wait to see this shit. I can't wait to see this shit. I love you. Okay, fine. So let's see what is inside. Let me just bring it down here so I can do it fast. Okay, fine. Let me just stop being dramatic and show y'all. But I feel like it's so difficult to open. Hopefully this time my village people don't visit me. Hold up. Okay. Oh my god, that's super cute. Okay, this is how it looks in the box. Okay, this is how my baby is looking. Oh my god, she's so pretty and big than I was expecting. Anyways, this is the side. That's how the side looks like. It's in pink. You know, I'm that girl. Let me just put this down and open it straight up. Okay, fine. So let's just go this way. I think it's this way. Okay, let's just go this way. Okay, yeah. Oh my god, this is super cute. I'm sitting right in front of the windows. Yeah. Oh my god. This baby guy is cute. Oh my god, that's super cute. Yeah. So there is the speaker here, I think, and this side too is the charging system, and it's also a speaker there. Where is the power button? Okay, so at the top here is the power button, and there's the volume up and down. Hopefully you can see it. Okay, guess who own an iPad? I promise you're gonna be tired and sick of me with this, I swear, because I wanted this so long. Yeah, I love it. Sorry. So let me just try to turn it on and see how it will look. So let's see how it looks. My babe is on and it's doing, like, you know, it's giving me that Apple girl vibes. Like, oh my god, I like it. So cute. It's so cute, and the color, you know. Hello, are you telling me? Hello. Okay, so let's just continue checking up why it can rotate to this side, you know. Yeah, okay, I like that one. Oh my gosh. So let's check what is inside the box. Yeah, so this is what's in the box actually. I don't know if you can check it here. I have this set of papers, whatever, circle. Okay, this is how it looks. Yeah, on the back side I have the Apple logo. It's in white. Why it's not in pink? Like, it's in white. Why it's not in pink? You can see. But then, yeah, it's nothing serious. Okay. So last thing in the box is the charger. Hopefully you can see it. I'm trying to focus. Yeah, there we go. Here's the charger head. We can focus. Yeah. And this is the new one. So yeah, here's the charger. Here's the head. It's so cute. And do you know something funny? I've already done unboxing my iPhone 15 Pro. Check it out. And I have the same charger, which is I'm going to be keeping this for future use because my iPhone 15 charger is also the same. Yeah, so I'll be keeping this for future use because I got like 1 for 2. Yeah, actually. Yeah, that's actually what is in the box. And you all know, as long that I had already graduated from school and I'll be continuing schooling, this is important. Although I still have Chromebook, but then I want to have this, babes. Sorry. So last but not least, I got a bag and a case. You know, you can play with me because as long that I know that I'm going to get an iPad, I need to get the case and also the bag. Because why not? Let me just show you how the case looks. It's literally for the iPad 10 th generation that's there, and this is at the back. So let me just open up. And I got it in pink because my iPad is in pink. Yeah. Okay. That's super cute, I promise you. So that's how it looks, and it's really plastic. And this side is kinda, it look foldable, like you can fold it. It's kind of soft. Let me just put it in and let's see how it looks. But I need to be extra careful because this baby right here don't need this step. Don't really need this step. Okay, fine. Let me just put it in. How do I even do it? Yeah, I think I'm the right spot right now. So okay, my baby is in. It's eating. She is eating so badly inside, you can see. And this is how it looks. Wait, okay, fine. Have I? Yeah, this is the right side actually. Yeah, I can literally stand my iPad with this whenever that I'm using it, and I feel like it's so handy. It's so easy to use, if you know. So yeah, that's actually my iPad inside. You can literally see the Apple logo. Yeah, with the iPad here. And let me show you guys how the bag looks like. Okay, so this is the bag. It's in pink, but like kind of light, right? So, hello. Inside is crisp. I like inside. It looks like very cute. You have a lot of space inside. This is for the iPad, and you can keep your charger, maybe your phone. What else? The charger. Yeah, let me just fit everything inside for you all to see. Yeah, let's say I'll be putting my iPad this side because that's where it's supposed to be. And here is my charger. I can literally put it here. And you go. Boom. Easy to carry, and it's waterproof. Like you can see, it's waterproof. Good to go. What are you waiting for? Good to go. Very cute, small. Good to go. Yes, I'm super happy to have this. I promise you, cause like, why not? Why not? And I feel like the brightness is too much on this video. I'm super sorry because I'm sitting right next to my windows, but then this is very cute, I promise you. It's cute, why not? Oh my god, it's super cute. And also, I got this inspiration on TikTok. This is what I want to turn my iPad to become. Like, I want to get the iPad case with keyboard so that it will look like this. Yeah, in different color maybe. I love it when it's pink, or maybe I'll get different iPad case with keyboard. Yeah, I want it to look like this. This is actually my inspiration about the whole getting iPad. Yeah, you feel me? And I'll be using it for editing, for school, and a lot. I'm trying to make an order of 8, so I'll probably do a review about that too, so watch out. That's a review of my iPad, and it's an unbox everything. So if you want to see a lot of unbox, y'all let me know under the comment section. I love y'all. And if you have any question about this, because I literally got the kit from AliExpress, and I got, yeah, I think so. And I got this bag from Shein. This is from MediaMarkt. So yeah, you can see the bag right beside me. So if you want to get anything, just let me know under the comment section. I'll drop every details y'all need, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Love y'all. Bye.